Hi there, students. Grist. Grist for the mill. Grist to the mill. Okay, let's see. Grist as a word on its own, it actually means an amount of wheat or grain that is going to be ground up in the mill. But I think you will only find this word grist in this phrase, grist for the mill, grist to the mill. And this grist to the mill means something that can be useful, something that is good for your purposes. So, for example, if you're a writer, then all of the experiences that you've had in your past are all grist for the mill. Yeah, they are something that will help you progress in what you're trying to do. It's something that is useful for a specific purpose. Yeah, or something that might support your point of view. If you are a journalist, then all information is grist for the mill. So this is this idea of something coming in to a process which will produce your desired product or will help your desired product. So effectively, it's something useful that you can use. Let's see. I know this experience wasn't very nice, but it's good grist for the mill. It will help develop your character. You will be more careful in the future. Yeah, so grist, effectively, grist to the mill is anything that you can use for your to your advantage. For example, when you're trying to get a job, anything good that you've done is all grist to the mill in your CV. It's something useful. Yeah, it's something that will go well in the process. So it's another thing. For example, if you buy and sell things, then you see another thing that's a bit boring, but you're certain you can sell it. It's grist for the mill. It's another thing that you can put into your process that will give you money at the end, even if it's not very exciting. Okay, so or maybe a lawyer looks at his latest case and he thinks, well, this is boring. But it's grist for the mill. It's grist to the mill. Yeah, it's something that, well, it's going to be good for me. I'm going to make money. It's work. Yeah, maybe if you're unemployed, any small job here and there that pays something is all grist for the mill. Yeah, well, it's all grist to the mill. It's going to give you money which you need. Yeah, and this is the concept of grist to the mill. Yeah, it's something that you can make use of in a particular situation. So yeah, when I'm making a video, I start thinking about examples of these, and these examples are all grist for the mill. Or when you suggest a video to me, a word or a phrase, yeah, this is grist to the mill. Yeah, it's something that I can use and something that will make a good video. But I need to decide if it's going to make a good video or not, and that's the important question. Okay, so grist to the mill, something that you can use, something that will go well with your process, with your lifestyle or with your business. Yeah, so it's all grist to the mill. The mill, I keep thinking of this windmill which is grinding the grain. It goes around and then this wheel grinds the grain, and the grist is the grain coming in, or a load of grain coming in. And yeah, each time somebody brings grist to be milled, seeds to be milled, then this is grist to the mill. Yeah, it's more work to do, which is going to be good for you. Okay, so formality. Well, firstly, the word grist. This is a very old word, and I only think you'll find it in this phrase, grist to the mill. Um, I guess I'm going to give it an 8 in formality. Yeah, you might use it, but it's unusual. And then this phrase grist to the mill as an idiom. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5, maybe a 5 in formality. Use it informally, use it semi-formally, both spoken and writing, and very formally, maybe just, okay. So grist to the mill, something that is useful. Yeah, the mill is the place where they mill or they grind corn. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Grist for the mill. Grist to the mill. Grist.